In this video, we will explain two important topics of C++, that is pointers and arrays. This will help you explore the low-level capabilities of C++ and will also enable you for direct memory management in C and C++. An array is a basic data structure in C++. It is a collection of elements of the same type stored in contiguous memory locations. For example, here we have declared an array of 5 integers. The array name is ARR and the data type of elements in this array is integer. So internally it will allocate 20 bytes of memory. Why 20 bytes? Because we are allocating 5 integer elements in this array and size of an integer is 4 bytes. Now for 4 multiplied by 5 is equal to 20 bytes. The memory layout of array will be like this. All the elements in this array are stored in contiguous memory locations. Like the address of first element of array is 20,000 and the address of second integer in this array is 20,004. Now we can apply the ampersand operator on the first element of the array. Like this, it will return an address of first integer in this array. And we will assign that into the integer pointer. So now pointer PTR is pointing to this memory location 20,000. So if we dereference the pointer, it will give us the value at this memory location. It is similar to accessing the array element using a subscript operator. So suppose we do something like this, PTR star PTR equals to 11. So value 11 will be stored in this memory location. Now to access the second element of array, we can pass 1 into the square brackets along with the array name. As indexing in C++ starts from 0, so index position of the first element is 0, index position of second element is 1, third element is 2, fourth element is 3 and index position of fifth element is 4. So when we pass 1 in the square brackets with the array variable name, it will give us the value at this location, value at the second integer in the array. Similarly, we can increment our pointer PTR by 1. It will make the pointer to jump to this memory location 20,004. Then we can dereference it. It will give us the value at this memory location. Now if we do like this, say 22. So value will be 22 at this memory location. Similarly, to access the ith element in an array, we can pass I in the square brackets along with the array variable name. It is equivalent if we can add I into the PTR. PTR is pointing to the start of the memory location or the start of the array. And if we are adding I in it, it will make the pointer jump by I elements. And then we can dereference the pointer to access the value at the ith index position in the array, similar to this. So using pointers, we can efficiently access the array elements by incrementing or decrementing pointer values. In C++, pointers and arrays are often used interchangeably, but there are certain differences. Let's discuss them. When we cast an array into a pointer like this, int star PTR equals to ARR, it decays certain information. Like if we use the size of operator with ARR, it will give us 20 bytes because the size of the array is 5 and each integer has 4 bytes. So we can get the 20 bytes by applying the size of operator on the array. Whereas if we apply the size of operator on PTR, it will give us 4 only because the information decay is happening here when we are assigning an array to an integer pointer. Also, when an array is declared, its size is fixed at compile time. We cannot change its size, whereas pointer can be made to point to different locations. Like here, we have initialized our pointer PTR to point to the start of the memory location. Later, we can make the pointer to point to the third element in this array or any other memory location. The third difference between pointer and array is arithmetic operators on pointers and arithmetic operators on array. So we have made pointer ptr to point to the start of the array. If we add 1 in this, it will point to the next element of the array. Whereas if you increment an array by 1, it will not point to the next element. It will point to this location, a memory location outside the array. So we should not use the arithmetic operations on an array, but we can use arithmetic operations on pointers like this. Pointers and arrays are closely linked in C and C++. Both are used to manipulate memory and build complex data structures. We can use the pointers to access array elements and manipulate them. That's all for this video. This video is a part of pointers course in C and C++. For more videos related to this course, you can check out our playlist on YouTube, or you can go to our website thispointer.com for the complete course. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.